What's up, GadInsider crew? Hold onto your cowboy hats. Red Dead Redemption 2 is reportedly galloping onto Nintendo Switch 2, and it might bring a next-gen upgrade for PS5 and Xbox. Is this the comeback we've been waiting for? Let's dive in. A new report says Rockstar's masterpiece could hit Switch 2 this year, with a long overdue performance boost for current-gen consoles. If you're hyped for Red Dead on the go, you need to hear this. Saddle up, let's ride. According to a hot report, Red Dead Redemption 2 is rumored to land on Nintendo Switch 2 later in 2025. That's right, Arthur Morgan could be roaming the Wild West on Nintendo's shiny new console. But wait, there's more. This port might drop alongside a next-gen upgrade for PS5 and Xbox Series S/X. Right now, Red Dead Redemption 2 is stuck at 30 FPS on consoles and doesn't have a native app for PS5 or Xbox Series S/X. Fans have been begging for a next-gen patch to boost those gorgeous visuals and performance. This upgrade could launch with the Switch 2 version or roll out a bit later, giving current-gen consoles the glow-up they deserve. The Switch 2 is already shaping up to be a beast with confirmed third-party bangers like Star Wars Outlaws, Cyberpunk 2077, Hogwarts Legacy, Elden Ring, and more. Even Xbox boss Phil Spencer chimed in last month saying Microsoft's first-party games will support the new console, and get this, Rockstar's parent company Take-Two has already locked in 4 titles for Switch 2: Civilization 7, Borderlands 4, WWE 2K, and NBA 2K. A Red Dead port. Totally plausible. Now, Rockstar and Nintendo haven't confirmed anything yet, so we're still in rumor territory, but imagine playing Red Dead Redemption 2 on the go with upgraded graphics and smoother performance. That's the dream, right? Whether it's portable cowboy action or a 60 FPS glow-up on PS5, this news has fans buzzing. So what's the verdict? Could Red Dead Redemption 2 on Switch 2 steal the show, or is this just another rumor? One thing's for sure, this could be a massive win for Rockstar fans and Nintendo gamers alike. Let's keep our eyes peeled for official word. Alright, GadInsider fam, that's the lowdown on Red Dead Redemption 2's rumored Switch 2 release and next-gen upgrade. Are you hyped to play Arthur's story on Nintendo's new console, or are you holding out for that PS5 patch? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's get this saloon talk going. If you're all about gaming leaks and rumors, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon for more GadInsider updates.